defenders were always tough. Trust your eyes and make a play. So I wanted to see if we were right here. Cam Newton on the left side in a split screen. Watch and see if he stares down.